Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Jeep Wrangler X. This two-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter i6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include airbags, power steering, child seat anchors, and seat belt force limiters. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.